Step outside a home's back door. It's more than a place where children play and pets roam. It's a setting for meal preparation, entertaining friends, conducting work, and simply relaxing. What does your outdoor project entail? Perhaps a kitchen with an area for food prep and another for dining. Maybe a bar for quenching thirst under the sun or moon. It may involve a fireplace or fire pit for a warm ambiance. Enjoying the cool of a pool could be on the list. Then again, there could simply be a calling for the perfect patio. Each experience can be elevated with the right tile or stone. This is where Emser Tile emerges. Their offerings blend function, durability, and eye appeal. It's the natural choice to pair with nature. Explore engineered stone for a myriad of appearances and unique color variations. The brick-like beauty of cinder block, the staggered sight of Grand Canyon, the chiseled characteristics of Pacific Rim, the dazzling depth of Terra Nova. These ideal choices provide strength and charm. Stacked stone quartzite merges character with texture. It has color tones from light to dark and sizes down to mini. This is an optimal selection for a surround, either for the demands of a kitchen island or the warmth of a fireplace. The Structure Collection possesses a natural variation and an impressive mix of stones. Within this line lies a multitude of colors, including ivory, cream, beige, sand, blue, gray, and charcoal. Select stacked or 3D ledgers. The blend of texture can make a lasting impression. The Travertine collection gives the outside an air of distinction and dependability. Within it are a series of styles which are notable for their versatility, lend compelling visual details, and can enable looks from traditional to timeless. Dip in a toe or dive fully into pool-rated tile that transform a mere swim into a resort-like experience. Looks can include smooth surface, patterns, mosaics, pebble configurations, and more. Looming on the horizon is an array of styles in an abundance of materials, colors, shapes, and sizes. Living up to its name, the Extra Collection has added appeal, navigating the outdoors by replicating numerous looks, such as wood, concrete, and stone. Multiple color hues are available. This line empowers any project or design with something extra. Visit your local ProSource Wholesale showroom to get the inside scoop on outdoor tile and stone from Emser Tile. Outstanding choices await to create an environment of beauty and performance. Mother Nature will surely approve.